Kick her down, dude. Just married. Yeah, baby.
I'm going off the country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going up the country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going to some place where I've never been, no.
Just getting ready to leave our home base over here at Waubun, Minnesota. And just to add to a little bit of the excitement to this trip, and we're gonna start doing this from here on out, is if you see us heading down the road with this saunas, or if you see any other Cedar Sense trip, if you tag us, we'll shoot you a free sauna hat. How about that? If you take a picture of us, tag us on either Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, we will send you a free sauna hat. We want to make these exciting as possible, these little sauna trips, and we just feel like that'd be kind of a cool little interactive way to get us going. So if you see this big rig going down the road, I don't care if you're 2 miles out of Waubun or on the other side of the world. If you see us hauling a Cedar Sense sauna trip, take a picture, send it to us, and we'll hook you up. All right, we're gonna get rolling here any day. We're just waiting on my other driver to get here, and we're off and flying. First stop, Dorado. We're gonna try to make damn near the whole thing in one shot. Stay the night on Wednesday night, and then deliver it early Thursday morning. So that's what we got going on so far.
Truck. Casinos are closed.
We might have what you call a gambling problem.
Third one, they're all closed.
Yeah. Or should we sit here till 8 in the morning or hit the next one?
I don't know, I'm tempted to wait.
No luck at the little Montanas yet. What? Sun's starting to come up here. Long ways to go. So after riding around like a couple of monkeys with their heads cut off here in Reno, Nevada, we finally found a place to stay. Well, we actually found a parking lot big enough for us to park at. So we're gonna be staying at the Jay's Resort over here in Reno, Nevada. We just hope that a homeless guy isn't sleeping in here when we come open this up in the morning. No homeless guy in there now. Do you think we'll have a homeless guy in there in the morning?
Oh, definitely.
Seen some pretty shady characters, but at least we got a fence protecting us, and pretty sure they got cameras all over the place. But Reno, Nevada, first time I've ever been here, and I don't know if it's the first time a Cedar Sense Sauna's been here, but pretty cool.
When we were young, the future was so bright. The old neighborhood was so alive. And every kid on the whole damn street was gonna make it big and not be beat. Now the neighborhood.
Well, not too bad. Stayed at the Jay's Resort. Got in kind of late, so we didn't really do anything, but it was fun. Now they put us way up on the 14th floor, and I was able to look at the sauna throughout the night. and this is the one thing I was a little worried about. So let's see if we had any visitors. No, we're good. Everything's still well. So yeah, Rio was, I don't know, pretty uneventful, which is probably a good thing. And first time ever being here. So littlest, biggest city in the world. Now we're off to go meet our client. We're gonna be dropping this bad boy off first, then here, then here. And we can't wait to meet them. So, all right, sounds good. Thank you, Reno.
I'll be just plays guitar, smokes a lot of pot. Chances thrown to this free. Longing for used to be. Still it's hard to see. Fragile lives.
Strangers brought to this street. Now it's all used to be. Still it's hard to see. Tragic lives, shattered dreams.
So we got John here. We just dropped it off at his place, and I think your wife told us that this house was made in the 1800s.
Yep.
That's pretty remarkable. What is your kind of your first impressions of just seeing it?
It's beautiful. I love it. Can't wait to get in there tonight.
Are you gonna fire it up tonight?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I love that. You did good with the front windows and the back window, man. It's pretty cool way to go.
Yeah.
Well, we just want to thank you very much, John.
Thank you, Mike.
And
Appreciate it.
now we're off to Clovis, California. Have you ever been there?
No.
No, this is my first time in California, altogether. So we got the first one set, and we're off to the next one. You're gonna want to see what it's all about. Go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll keep them rocking out here in California.
All the small things, true care, truth brings. I'll take one lip, you're right, best trip.
Bryan Watt going into his two-person 6x4 for the first time.
Oh yeah, I'm excited about this.
What do you think, man?
This is fantastic. I love it.
The biggest thing,
It smells amazing.
yes, that's the hardest thing for me to convey
The
online.
smell is unbelievable.
That Western red cedar.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is so great.
Heck yeah, man.
This is great. Yeah, this thing has actually got more room than I thought.
Yeah, for a two-person,
For the two-person.
in all honesty, you could probably fit 4 people in here.
Oh yeah.
If you're in Wisconsin, it's probably just one person. Who am I to talk?
This is awesome.
Yeah, it's
I
pretty
love
cool,
it.
man.
I love it.
You're
Thank
gonna
you,
have
guys.
a blast in here. It's pretty awesome that your son's 50. Brag about your son a little bit. He's a wrestler.
Yeah, my 15-year-old son wrestles.
Nice.
We do a lot of sauning together.
Nice.
And to have the luxury of having this right here at our house is amazing.
Yeah.
He's gonna love it. I wish he was here right this moment.
You guys can't see it. It's in Bryan's garage. Pretty freaking cool.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Nice.
Love it.
Glad you enjoy it, man.
Thank you guys. Appreciate
Hey,
it.
we got this one successfully installed. Bryan loves it. We couldn't be happier. What a smart idea, putting this in your garage. You don't have to worry about nothing, no weather, anything like that. It's gonna be pretty cool. Can't wait to see it's done.
Oh, na 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 na
Falls today. We're down 2 saunas, ready to get the last one out to Mr. Walsh. Joe Walsh, that is. I don't know if he's the lead singer of the Eagles or not. I haven't asked. Kind of wanted it to be a surprise. So, is it Joe Walsh from the Eagles? We are in Anaheim. We'll find out. Here, Joe. It's your it's your mansion, my man. You check it out.
Thanks so much, Mike.
Yes, sir.
Come on over.
Yeah.
The room's not done yet. It's about to be. But
This is Joe's first walk into his sauna.
it is.
We want to capture it all. Yeah.
Nice. Very cool.
And he's got a home stove coming into here. So nothing's ready yet, but
Fantastic.
what do you think, man?
It's awesome. Family's gonna love it.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good deal for you,
Yeah.
man.
Thanks so much, man.
Yeah, you're gonna have to update us when you get her sweating and all that good stuff.
Oh yeah, 100%. When we finish the room, we'll send you an update.
Right on. We got some goodies for you too. I gotta make sure I get that for you.
Awesome.
All right, we just dropped it off, and look what Joe is gonna get when he opens this door. Isn't that freaking cool? that is awesome. Joe, I was just doing this right here. Look what's gonna happen when you open this door. You're gonna have that view
Exactly.
right there. That's
It's
awesome.
gonna be perfect. I might actually even put it up against that wall.
Yeah, he's
As you
good.
walk in and it
Give you just a little
better.
more space and everything.
Right. Yeah. Exactly. Well, these are for you.
Oh man, just one's fine, dude.
You sure?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm good. Well, I don't. Once again, we couldn't do it without you, brother. Thank you very much, Dan. Dan is the man. Dan's our silent assassin. He never gets no credit, but I literally can't do it without him. So I gotta thank you, big guy. Joe, I really gotta thank you too, man.
Oh, Mike, Dan, thank you so much. This thing's beautiful. It's
gonna-
gonna be happier.
It's gonna be sick, man.
Yeah, we're celebrating.
Hey, this wraps up California. First time ever seeing LA. That was just nuts. I can't believe how big this damn city is. We literally come from a town of 2 stoplights. So it's
Well,
pretty cool, man.
No more casinos either.
Glad you got through LA alive.
Yes, sir. We want to thank you guys and keep watching us for more adventures. We might be pulling into your town too. In the comments below, let us know where you would like to see one of our saunas go. And
Cheers.
Yeah, heck yeah. Well, off to the next adventure. Where's it going to be? I'm thinking New York City, Joe.
Good luck.
We're going to Compton.
Compton. Yeah, let's bring one to
Don't
San
go to-
Bernardino, right?
No San Bernardino.
Well, after driving 30 plus hours straight the first day, day 2, 700 miles in between 3 sauna drop-offs, we actually slept in a little bit this morning in California, and I don't even feel bad about it. It's been a long 3-day stretch. It's kind of crazy looking at that trailer empty. So that's what we take back to Minnesota. We get ready for our next adventure over here at Cedar Sense. Oh, California, you've been good to us. Can't complain. So we are back. The road trip was a complete success. Coolest thing, 4,200 plus miles. We did 3 sauna drop-offs in one day, 700 miles in between the first and the last. And it was just a good way to go about things. And this is where they're made out here in Grand Rapids, Minnesota. You can see a 6-footer on the right, a 7-footer on the left. And if you guys are wanting us to come to your town, bring one of these barrel saunas out, let us know. We can make videos for you too. What town would you like to see us come to next? Leave that in the comments below. And also, please like and subscribe to this channel. We want to get more content rolling. We want to get more people out there. Get these saunas out. And yeah, we can't wait for our next one, our next adventure. We got them all over the place out here. So if you're interested in one of these, we got a link in the description below. You can see us at cedarsense.com. We'd love to help you out. We don't have just barrel saunas either. We got all sorts of saunas on our website, ones that we make, ones that other people make. You name it, we got it. So catch y'all later, and thank you for this.